Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope your Ramadan is going well. This is just another short video about the forthcoming Eid date in the context of the partial solar eclipse that we have seen in the UK today. Of course, this has been known in advance, and this event can be visualized in the Stellarium software as shown here. The eclipse peaked at around 11 am in the UK, and it was visible mostly in the northern hemisphere. As you can see here, by the time the sun had set, the moon would have only gathered 0.1% illumination on it, which means it would be impossible to sight the hilal this evening. I was lucky enough to see the eclipse, and this is my setup with which I was able to take some images, and I was able to generate a video from the images. Now let's see what happened in the sky over Saudi Arabia. And because Saudi Arabia is on a different side of the planet, their viewpoint of the sun and the moon would have been very different, which means they would not have seen the solar eclipse as demonstrated here on the Stellarium software. This is an important reminder for those who advocate that we should follow the moon sighting in Saudi Arabia for Eid in the UK. If there was cloud cover that prevents us from seeing the hilal in the UK, then we should look for hilal sighting in our nearby countries such as France, Spain, Morocco, etc., rather than Saudi Arabia, which is 5,000 kilometers away and would have a different view of the sky. So you would ask, once the moon has moved away from the sun, after the eclipse we should be able to see the moon. But as demonstrated here, the moon has to move quite farther away from the sun's position in the sky for at least 12 hours for it to then reach a point when it can reflect the sun's light and become visible to us. This is as mentioned in the Quran. تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا. Even if the moon was illuminated by 0.1% as seen in the London sky, it will be completely invisible due to the brightness and the glare of the setting sun. So there you have it. Today's partial solar eclipse is yet another proof that the hilal cannot be sighted today, that is the 29th of March 2025. Hope you have found this video useful. Advanced Eid Mubarak to you all, and Assalamu alaikum.